If you travel with kids, you know that little bumps and scrapes always seem to happen when you're out and about. That's why having a small first aid kit like this is such a good idea. This is the KeepGoing Travel First Aid Kit, and the brand was kind enough to send this over for us to try out so I could let you know all the details on it. One thing I like right away is that it's compact, but it's still packed with a lot of useful items. It comes with 130 essential first aid items, things like bandages, antibiotic ointment, burn and sting relief, cleaning wipes, hydrocortisone, band-aids, scissors, tweezers, and so much more. Everything is super helpful for those little kid accidents. It even includes sheets of fun stickers, which is such a thoughtful touch to help kids feel a little bit better if they get hurt. The case itself is also really nice quality. It's water and stain resistant, so everything stays protected inside, and the supplies are neatly organized so you can easily find what you need. It also includes a small first aid guide, which is really handy if you ever need a quick reference. There's also a nice handle wrist strap so you can easily carry it with you if you're on the go. The size is really convenient too. It's small enough to fit in a backpack, a suitcase, or even the glove box, which makes it perfect for travel, road trips, or outdoor adventures. I can definitely see us bringing this along for camping trips, hikes, or days at the park, so we always have the basics nearby if we need them. Another thing I love about this one is the design. Most first aid kits look very plain, but these come in a lot of really fun patterns. I chose the camping one because we love being outdoors and it just felt perfect for us. If you travel with kids or you spend a lot of time outdoors, having a small first aid kit like this is honestly such a good idea. It's compact, easy to pack, and it gives you those basic essentials when you need them.